Hello, my name is Dr. Lynne Celli, and I'm the Dean of Graduate and Professional Studies at Celli University in Newton, Massachusetts, United States of America. I'm proud to be coming to you and bringing you this video on behalf of Eurasia Research and TERA, Teaching and Education Research Association. I have been a privileged member of this association for many years. As a participant, as a speaker, as a keynote speaker, as a peer reviewer, as the president of the advisory board. I'm here to welcome you and encourage you to participate in this wonderful organization. Membership has its privileges for this organization. You meet wonderful, diverse people from all over the world that bring new and creative, innovative, and entrepreneurial perspectives in teaching and educational research. TERA is a wonderful place to be. As a participant, I encourage you to join and become a member. I also encourage you to submit proposals to do breakout sessions. They are the most valuable and rewarding professional experience you could ever have. As importantly, Eurasia TERA does organize their conferences, both virtual and in person, in such a way where you get to know people personally, know their work, know their research, and get to know them as people, which is most important in our business, relationships. It has expanded my horizons, expanded my professional growth and development, and I continue to look forward to being part of this wonderful organization. Part of attending a conference in person, whether you're a participant or you're an observer, you get to interface and interact on social levels as well as academic levels with everyone involved. We stay in touch after conferences. We share research. We help one another become better at what we do, become better in our educational professions, become better in our research. Again, membership has its privileges. The networking is amazing. Expanding your skill set is amazing. It keeps you in the growth mindset, which we always should be in as educators. And every conference, as I said, has a variety of perspectives that it brings for every person in attendance, no matter what role you have. You will find many pearls of wisdom that you can bring back to your own work and apply immediately. So I encourage you to get in touch with me if you wish at Lynne, LYNNECELLI @gmail.com with any questions. And I also encourage you to visit the website so that you may be able to see exactly not only the professional growth we have, but such fun we have with the relationship building. I look forward to seeing you at another conference and a new conference, and hopefully meeting you personally and professionally.